What is it? Why is your face like this?
Uruma, I'm finished. I'm finished. William has killed me.
What happened?
Hey. Uruma, William has gotten Oledo pregnant.
Hey! Chimo, abomination. Hey!
I'm done with them. I am done with them. But if he can't, I'll just go back to my father's house. I don't want to die before my time.
No.
Let me just go back to my father's house instead of dying. These people are breaking my heart
Amara,
too
you
much.
failed this one. You failed it. This is not what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to be talking about going home. You're not supposed to be talking about going back to your father's house.
I don't have anything here again.
You should stay back and fight for your marriage, Amara. Will you sit back and watch a small girl collect sleep from your eyes? Fight for your husband.
Which husband? I don't have any husband. Oledo has taken him from me.
If you know that thing that Oledo is doing, find out what it is and use it and hold him. Bring him back to yourself. He's your husband.
Thank you. You are wonderful musicians, wonderful dancers, wonderful pipers. Hey! It is said that when the night comes, we do no longer use proverbs to talk. Yes.
Go ahead, my in-law. Go ahead.
My in-law, I thank you.
You're welcome.
Agluzi was a whole. I thank you. My people of Ugweke, I also thank you because you have done wonderful things. It is not just that we come to your place, but the truth is that if you go to a place and you are not welcomed, will you be happy?
Of course you will not.
You have all done well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my in-law.
And my people, as you can see, we came, we saw, and we conquered. We are all conquerors. We are all winners.
Yes, yes.
So we thank the gods of our land. My in-law, as you can see, you have given us enough to eat. You have given us enough to drink. We have actually chatted like friends.
Which we are.
And the in-laws that we are now.
Yes.
My in-laws, please, I want to make a request.
Which is
that what we have come to do, we have done it. And we are satisfied. My request is that you please hand over our golden maiden to us, Amarachi, so that we can take her home. Because the day is gone. We can see the sun setting speedily. And right now there is no time on our side because the journey is very far. Please.
My in-law, cut it short. I understand where you are going to. I know where you are hitting the...
Please.
The truth is, you've spoken well.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's no problem at all. You have fulfilled all the marital rights.
Boam.
So why should we keep her from you?
Do I know?
Amara, my daughter, come. Give me your. Accept your request. Is a right one.
Good.
And you fulfilled everything, so we can't keep her from you any longer. I'm handing her over to you. Yeah?
My daughter, as a culture and tradition of Agulo Uzibo, I present this precious gift to you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, hand it over.
Please, my dear.
This one too.
Give it to them.
Please, my dear, love and respect your husband. My in-law, make sure you take care of my daughter, my beautiful girls.
My in-laws, we have to leave you here. We are the border, so you can continue the journey from here.
Thank you so much, my in-law. Thank you. We are really very grateful. You have done what you are supposed to do. Because leading your guest, your visitor, on his way home, doesn't mean that he doesn't know his way home.
That is true.
It is a respect.
Yes.
Because you said that respect is reciprocal.
You can say that again.
So thank you so much. Thank you. We should have our way, okay?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Amara, my daughter, I know you've learned well from my marriage with your father. Don't expect everything to be well at all times. You fight, you quarrel. It doesn't mean that it knocks you peace.
Good. I love that.
Quarrel and fight strengthens our love. And all this falls into a new chapter. Please respect and love your husband. And always pray to your chief to give you more work. Expect and unexpected. Pray to your chief to bless you with the fruit of the womb. While you pray for your chief to bless you with the fruit of the womb, please allow him to enter inside and do the work. Because that is where the baby will come from.
Oh, yeah.
Please, my dear, don't be stingy. Everything belongs to him. Please open the leg so that my grandchild will come in.
Thank you. You have done it all. You have
May the gods of our land bless you.
Onyema, my son, my in-law, please do take care of Amara. You know she's all I have. I love her so much. More than my life. I want you to love her. Respect her. Tolerate her. You know women, they can be annoying at times. If she annoys you at any time, you know how to contain her. And you, Amara, see your husband. Onyema is your husband. Huh? He deserves just more than whatever he showers you with. Because there is no bound to love if the ingredients that makes the love is there. If it's not misused, there's no bounds. Love him, respect him, and you will live well. I wish both of you well.
Thank you.
The gods will grant you your desires. You will have the fruit of the womb to your food. As many as you wish, God will grant them to you.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. May God bless you too.
Thank you, my
And
son.
give you back what you have given us.
Hold
I
on.
shall be well with you.
Thank you, my in-law. Thank you.
Okay.
Please do take care of yourself.
Let's be on our way.
Take care of her.
I will. Let's go. My son. My son, you are a winner. I wish to say congratulations.
Thank you, Father.
Yes, we have gone and we are back successfully. Eh?
Oh, thanks to the gods.
May the gods be praised.
It's
May all the glory be given to them. Yes. Son, the ball is now at your court. To love and cherish, to pamper your wife, to make her love you more than more. There are a lot of things she may not know. It is your duty to teach her that. Eh? So, remember, there is a saying that says that a happy man marries a maiden he loves. Yes. And there is another saying that says that a happier man loves the maiden he marries.
deep.
Son,
Yes, Father.
the eyes can never forget what the heart had seen. Of course, the heart is not an elbow or the knees. So it doesn't bend. You understand? Nor is it flexible. So there is a saying that it is better for a man to be happy than to be a king. he that has ears should hear.
I heard you. I've heard you, Papa.
Thank you.
Very well.
Papa.
Ah, my daughter. You're
Thank you
welcome.
very
You're
much.
welcome. Sorry for the whole stress, okay?
Thank you, Papa.
Ah, my daughter, why are you thanking me? I am the one to thank you for accepting us. Eh? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Mm.
Papa, would you like to eat anything?
Eat?
Yes.
My wife wants to give me with food. Oh, so after taking all the things I took there, I will come back here to begin to eat now. Ah, I saturated my stomach there. Thank you. Thank you for caring, okay? Yes.
My husband,
My love.
I already prepared our dinner.
Okay. Good, good. It's okay. Meanwhile, I should be on my way. Yes, as you can see, it is dark already. So let me be on my way, okay? Let's wash your vessel. Let me stop taking your time because you need time. If you look at the sky, you see that everywhere is getting darker and darker. Eh? So please, let me have my way. Let me be on my way now, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Papa.
Yes.
I want to say a very big thanks to you for all your contributions towards the success of this marriage. And also for being my voice over there. Because if not for you, Papa, I don't know what would have happened.
My son.
So I thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I say, may the gods continue to bless you. Keep you for us in good health so that you will carry your grandchildren.
It shall be so. The gods have already heard those prayers. But let me ask you, if I don't do it for you, who else would I do it for? When I go about doing it for other people's children, this one is my own. Oh.
Yes.
My own is my own. It's okay. Let me be on my way. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Papa. Let me walk you. Let me walk you home because it's late already.
I feel you should have your rest. You shouldn't disturb yourself.
Papa, please. Let me just walk you.
It's okay. Let's go.
My love.
Bye.
When I return, we'll have our dinner. Okay?
It's okay.
I'm coming.
About good night.
Bye.
Okay. My dearest husband.
My love.
My sweet love.
My love. You see, I thank the gods for blessing me with a beautiful woman like you. I must confess, you're just an epitome of beauty. Yes.
And you are handsome too.
Well, let me not kill the appetite of this food with my words, okay?
Go ahead, I like your words.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Let's eat first. You will like it.
It's really nice.
I know you will love it.
I love it. You're really a good cook for me.
My mom taught me well.
I like it.
Okay. Don't worry. I promise you, in no distant time, you will double in size.
I don't want to. Do you want to ruin my shape?
No.
I work too hard to look like this.
But no matter how you grow to be,
I will love you the way you are.
I know, but I don't want to be big. I want to look this way, so my beautiful fabric will fit me properly.
Oh.
I always want to look nice for you.
I love you so much.
I love it too.
Okay. What? What?
Baby, what?
Oh, there's no water.
Baby, water.
Easy. I'm coming. Let me get water inside.
Fast though.
Sorry.
Why did you put too much pepper?
I'm sorry. But take. Easy. You are good? I'm sorry.
The food is nice, but you added a lot of pepper inside.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Next time it will not be like this, okay?
Thank you, my love.
Oh.
I love you.
You're welcome. And I love you more. Let's continue.
No, I don't want to eat anymore.
You're okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Because of the pepper?
No, really, I'm just okay.
Well, you should have
I'm okay. Try.
But it is not quite a full market day yet. It is not up to a full market day. Was it not just a day and some damn that our in-laws came here to take our daughter? Why is my wife so troubled? Why is she determined that she will go to see her? Is there anything they are not telling me? Why is she so worried? Why? But to think of it, let her go. Let her go. Who knows how my daughter is faring there? Let her go. Let her go. I think I will allow her to go.
Beautiful I look, eh? I am so beautiful, the goddess of beauty. When I'm done eating, I'll walk around the village of Ogweke and show them how to dress and look like a princess and look like a goddess. My husband is a lucky man. He is. I am so beautiful. anyway.
You don't need to know me. Your husband has told me so much about you. He even described the way you look to me. But I must say, you look way better than his description of you.
Thank you very much. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Urako, but you can call me Uru. My dear, I am sorry I couldn't come for your marriage ceremony. And I said I will come and see you later.
Thank you very much. It's okay. So, do you mind showing me around your village?
Of course not. I will gladly do that.
Okay.
This way.
Alright.
I'll take you to the village square, show you the market square,
Okay.
and I'll show you the way to the palace.
Wow. My dear, you're so funny.
You too. I think we should start going before your husband starts looking for you.
Oh no, he went out.
Okay, maybe he must have come back and need you to make something for him to eat. You know you have to be always available to take care of your husband, my brother.
Hey, do you mean he should be available to take care of me?
Either ways, eh? But for now, let's just go home.
Okay.
And I will come back later in the evening to visit you.
No problem if you say so.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh God. No water, no food. Am I still unmarried? But I just got married. What then is the duty of a woman in a house? See how everywhere is unkept. This woman is not in this house. Where does she know she went to? A newly married woman. Well, she went for strolling. At least to know the terrain of this village. No problem. Let me go and take my bath and wait for her return.
My love. My sweet love. What's wrong with him?
I think he's angry at you.
What did I do?
Did you cook for him this morning? Or did you perform your wifely duties?
I don't understand you. What do you mean perform my wifely duties? Have I not tried my best? Will I kill myself? Looking good takes a lot of time. When I should be grateful I'm doing all this for him. Please excuse me. I was even calling him. He's ignoring me. Wait, you're not coming out.
Wait. My dear, look, let me tell you. It is your duty to fix his bathing water and prepare food for him to eat. While it's his duty to provide for his wife. Okay, now, he has gone to fetch foodstuff. The best thing for you to do is to go inside the kitchen and prepare something for him to eat.
You're joking, right? No, you're joking.
No, I'm not.
That will not happen. Yes, I should cook for him. I don't understand. That is not even going to happen in any way.
What do you mean that's not going to happen in any way?
I'm not cut out for cooking. It's not my thing. So I should stain my beautiful maid dress just to make Oyema happy. I will not do that. Not after he insulted me the way he did this evening. I won't even do it.
Hey.
I am so pissed off with that man. You see the attitude he gave to me? I don't even understand you. Are you taking his side? Are you not supposed to be my friend? Look, in my own mother's house, I don't cook. I live like a princess. And I expect my husband to treat me as so. Oh.
Mama, you're welcome once again.
Thank you, my in-law.
My beautiful mother.
Yes, my beautiful.
Oh,
daughter.
welcome.
Thank you.
How is Papa?
He's fine. Actually, I'm not going to stay long.
Why, Mama?
I brought Oledo so that she'll be staying with you people and assist my daughter.
I see. Oledo, you're welcome.
Thank you, Didi.
Mama, my beautiful mother. Thank you very much.
You're
welcome. Oledo, you're welcome. Huh?
Thank you, Dada.
Oledo, I hope you will want to stay with us.
Why not? Sure, I will.
I know, yeah.
Alright. Don't worry. You'll be taken very good care of, okay?
I trust you. I know what you can do.
Alright, Mama. There is this bushmeat I caught. Eh? Let me go and prepare it for you. Just the way you will like it.
I trust you.
I am coming, Mama.
Alright. Nnukwu Adam.
My sunshine. The mother I'm proud of.
Let's go to the kitchen and assist him. Okay?
Okay, I'll do the cooking. Let's go.
I'm actually the way I'm looking fine.
My mother. That place doesn't look like a woman's kitchen.
Mama, I'm just a day old here.
Amarachi, so since morning you didn't enter your kitchen to clean and prepare food for your husband?
Mama, is my husband a child? If he's hungry, he will definitely go to the kitchen and fix himself something to eat.
Amarachi, have you eaten today?
I just had a little corn, yes.
And you don't care about your husband? Hey. Amarachi, you are wicked.
Mama.
Amarachi, you are wicked.
I don't know why you are stressing yourself. Allow me to manage my home the way I can manage it. My husband will be fine. I will be fine too. You are supposed to be worried about me, not just Oyema.
He will be fine when you're keeping him hungry.
Did he report to you?
Amara, my daughter,
Mama.
you have to sit up. You're supposed to be the one cooking, not Olede and I. We are just to help you.
Mama, it's still the same thing. Olede is here. She can always help me. Oledo, can you cook?
Sure, I can.
Hey, Mama, you heard her.
You mean you let this little girl to cook for your husband?
It's the same thing, Mama. Food is food. Does it look like Oyema will have a choice?
I pray you don't regret all this.
I will not. I will not regret. I know what I'm doing. All the same, thank you.
My love,
Mama.
I will be leaving tomorrow.
So
Mama,
soon?
when now?
Yes, I know my husband will be worried now. Please, I want you people to stay peacefully. Respect each other and love each other more. Amara,
Mama.
please sit up and make sure you feed your husband very, very well. Even the other side, make sure you're doing it well.
Mama.
Oledo, please be of a good behavior. Okay?
Sure.
Respect them. I don't want to get any bad reports from them about you. Okay?
Okay.
I trust you.
Yeah.
I know you take care of them. And you people, take care of her.
Of course, we will.
Please.
Mama, thank you very much. Thank you for visiting us. Thank you for all the delicacies you cooked for us. We are going to miss you. But please, we want to beg you, man. We want to beg you. Visit us often. Please.
I will.
Mama, I'm missing you. Can't you stay a little more?
My husband is there alone, so I need to go home.
We are going to miss you.
I'm missing you people already.
Especially on the day.
Yema, you know I love you. Why do you always doubt me?
My love, respect is the best expression of love. But you don't respect me at all.
What are you talking about? Eh? What did I do this time around?
As a wife, you don't do any house chores in this house. It's only your lady that does everything in this house. You don't cook for me, you don't fetch water, you don't even sweep.
Yema, hold it there. Why are you so troublesome?
How?
Every little opportunity you have, you want to nag me. You want to complain. How I'm not doing this, how I'm not doing that. Yema, please, allow me to have my peace in this house. You want us to pick fight this evening again? I don't have the power to fight with you.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I never intended to pick any quarrel or fight with you.
You already did.
I am only trying to correct you.
I don't need it.
Okay, I'm sorry. My love, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I'm
After
sorry.
insulting me, you tell me you're sorry.
Ha! When did I insult you? Eh? I'm sorry, because please
Yema, keep your hands to yourself, please.
stop this now. Okay, let's go to
You
bed.
and who go to which bed?
Let's sleep now. Do the needful.
Do what needful?
Don't do this now.
Yema, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I don't get it. If I start raising my voice now, it will look as if.
Where is your voice now? My voice is not higher than your own.
Eh? Allow me to. Okay, I'm sorry. Allow me to. Where do you think you are going? Amara!
What is going on?
Where are you?
Papa? Onyema, what is going on?
Nothing really. I never knew you were around, Papa.
I was not actually around. I was passing by. And so I looked around. I saw Amara, jump out from your hut. I was trying to ask what was going on. She was just hissing continually. Then you followed her up. What is the problem?
Nothing really, Papa. It's sigh of love. Yes, Papa.
Sigh of love?
Yes, Papa. You know.
Amara, is it true?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, wonderful. You people are wonderful indeed. I love that.
Thank you, Papa.
I love that. Please keep it up, okay?
We will.
That is my prayer.
Yes.
That you people will continue to ease in love.
Yeah.
Eh?
We'll try our best.
Yeah, really trying.
Thank you, Papa.
It's okay. I have to get home.
All right.
I'm returning from a journey. A journey I embarked on since early morning.
Wow.
Look at the time we are coming back.
Very late.
Yes. So let me get home, okay?
All right.
But please, don't leave it. Continue holding firm on it.
Okay, Papa.
Keys of love.
We will.
Keys of love. I love it. Keys of love. Keys of love.
Wash your hand.
Thank you.
Oledo, come and join us. Yeah, look, bring chair and seats. Join us.
Why?
Okay. You said?
Why?
Huh? She's like a daughter to us, so I see nothing wrong if she eats with us.
Oledo,
Yes.
please go inside and eat wherever you want to eat.
Okay.
What is wrong? As in, what is wrong she eating with us?
I didn't say there is anything wrong with it. I just wanted the both of us to eat as husband and wife. I don't want a third party here. Is that wrong?
Husband and wife, you say?
Am I not your wife? Are you not my husband?
Wife indeed. Of what use are you in this house? Let me ask you. Eh? Is there anything you are good at in this house? Nothing. All you do is sleep, eat, make up, and you start parading yourself as if you are the queen of your kingdom.
Oyema, are you an angry bird? Oyema, why are you always angry? Why are you always annoyed? Every little thing pisses you off. You look for every excuse in everything. What is it, Oyema?
I am angry because there is nothing you are good at.
But
You leave all the house chores for Oledo to do in this house and you do nothing.
Oyema,
Yet you call yourself a wife.
Oyema, can I eat this food and have peace?
Fine.
Is it possible?
Yes, you will eat because that is what you are good at. You know what?
I didn't do anything to you. You are
I
just
am-
angry.
I am sick and tired of your attitude in this house. Eat! I've lost my appetite.
You have anger issue. Anyway, I'm not hungry.
Thank you. Now let me give you.
Are you okay? Will you stand up from there?
What is wrong with... Stop this now! What is this? What has come over you?
So you, you want to take my husband from me?
What is wrong with you? Get rid of yourself!
Small you, right? We shall see. And you come inside and meet me.
We shall see nothing.
It's fine.
Ola, it's okay. Let's continue out.
No.
Come and see.
I'm fine. I just rest outside.
Oyema, what's the meaning of this rubbish you just did now? You walked out on me only to go and eat with my servants.
What did I just hear you say? Your servant? And why has Oledo become your servant?
Oh! So this has been the reason you do nothing in this house? Eh? Now listen. Oledo is never, I can never be your servant. You see that girl? She is like a daughter to me and not your servant.
You are very shameless. You heard me? Oyema, you are very shameless. You don't have any single shame. Is that the reason you went ahead to start eating with her?
Yes!
Oh.
Yes, because she is like a daughter to me.
Oh. Really?
Yes.
Okay. Now listen to me. Yes, listen to me and listen good. The next time you embarrass me the way you did today in front of Oledo, I swear to the gods, I will slap you.
You will do what?
I said I will slap you.
You will slap me?
Yes, I will slap you.
In my own house? That is the last you will do, and you will see the other side of...
There is nothing you can do. You cannot do anything. You are just backing.
Say it and I will show you the stuff I am made of. What kind of rubbish is all this? What kind of a woman did I get married to?
I'm sorry about that.
For how long am I going to continue like this?
Yeah, she has just been maltreating me, but it's fine. I'll come. It's alright. Don't brood over their fight. You did nothing wrong. She called me her servant. I was thinking she took me as a child, in as much as I know I'm grown. Or better still, his sister. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. These people, they've loved you all this while. They took you in. Servant or no servant, you are an orphan. Okay? It doesn't matter. I hear. It's fine. Let's go to the stream, please. I'll be fine.
Sit down. This one here, you look so angry. Like a wounded lion. What is the problem? Talk to me now. What is going on?
Warn your brother, Oyema. Warn him, oh. Warn that man, he's looking for my trouble. Since I got married to that man, I have done everything possible to not pick a fight with him. But today, that man have the guts to disrespect me in the presence of my servants.
Servant? Did you bring in a servant?
Oledo is my servant. I only treated her as a sister. You know, as an only child, I don't have any brother or sister. I just took Oledo as a sister. But she's my servant.
Just calm down, relax. Is that why you're vibrating? It's okay, eh?
It's not enough to make me angry.
It's okay. It's okay.
He was even feeding her.
It's okay. You know you're not supposed to be angry. Look at your face. You're such a pretty lady, eh? You don't need to be angry. Why? Find me there like it. Asa, it's okay. Don't be angry, eh? It's okay. But I'm around. I want to ask you a question. When are you going to bear a child for my brother? You know it's been years both of you got married, but you are here to give him a child. Are you going? Did I ask anyone? Amara! The question I asked, is it bad? I'm only looking out for my brother. Because I need to carry baby. As I am here now, they'll just sit close to me and help me and be arranging this thing since I'm not married yet. Let me carry my own brother's children now.
is right. It's been several years. I have to do something about this childlessness. Before everyone in this village start trolling me. Amara, that will not happen. Hey! May the gods forbid. It will not happen. I need to do something about it. And I need to do it fast.
Remember that young man we saw on our way coming to the stream?
Oh, yes, I did. What about
He is mine.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
I like him.
Congratulations. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. What?
Nothing. He's cute.
Okay.
I'll soon marry someday.
So you know that you're beautiful. Olego. Olego. Let's go.
Please wait for me. Beautiful maiden of Uweke. Can I have your time? Please.
What? What is it? Why are you stalking me?
I have been trying to get your attention.
Oh. So why didn't you do that while I was with Ogi?
Oh. That one is a troublesome human being.
Okay. So what do you want?
I like you. That's why I followed you to this spot.
You like me? Well, I'm not interested.
Hey. I love you so much.
That's even the worst. I'm still angry at the fact that you said you like me and you added love. Get out.
Is that how you walk? Hi. But she's not going to be that so cheap. She's so beautiful. Nah.
Oyema! Come out.
My love, why are you screaming my name?
We have to discuss.
Okay, I was sleeping. If you don't mind, let us go inside to discuss. Or better still, you wait. When I am done sleeping, then we can talk.
When you are done sleeping, you even have the guts to sleep. You have the guts to sleep. Really? Okay, let me not even go there. Tell me why for several years we've been married and you've never for once questioned my inability to give you a child. Tell me, do you have plans of having children outside our own marriage?
My love, I don't know what is eating you up. But whatever it is, please calm down. Listen, I know it's not your fault. And I am not blaming you for not giving me children.
So it's your fault. It's your fault and you did not tell me. Your manhood is not working. You are not using it well. Or what is happening?
What are you saying? I never said it's my fault
So
either.
whose fault is it?
Okay? Listen, I know too much not to blame you for not giving me children. Calm down. I strongly believe that at the right time, our Chi will favor us with children. They will bless us with as many children as we want. Okay, please, don't let this work you up. Don't let it disturb you at all. I beg you. And moreover, we have Oloide in this house.
You say what? Ole what? Is Olede my child? Is Oledo my child? I'm asking you. Oledo is not my child and can never and will never be my child. Did you hear me? I want my own child, our own child, our own. And I want it now. And listen to me. Let today be the first and last you will ever mention Olede in our conversation. Did you hear me? Don't ever try it. Don't try it with me, Oyema. You have something you cannot use.
What is eating her up? God. Oledo, it's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Okay?
What is wrong with this one? Am I the cause of his childlessness? Rubbish, because I'm even greeting himself.
Papa! Papa!
Who is that?
Papa, please come.
So,
Papa, good afternoon.
afternoon, my son. What's the problem?
Papa, you better talk to Amara. Talk to Amara because I am losing it already.
What happened? Can you calm down and tell me what happened?
Papa, can you imagine that Amara is accusing me of being responsible for our childlessness? How's it my fault? Am I the ghost that gives children? Eh? Talk to her, oh. Papa, talk to her before something else happens.
Son, tell me the truth. What were you discussing before she come up to with that?
She started the discussion, Papa. She started it. That why am I not bothered for us not having children? And I told her that, relax, it is not in our making, but in the hands of the gods. That the gods are the ones that gives children. That when it's time for the gods to give us children, they will give us children. She said no, that is in my hand. And she started raising voices. Is it proper? Papa, why are you laughing? Why? This is a serious issue and you are laughing, Papa. What is all this?
Oh my God. Please, calm down, calm down. Okay. Sit down. Sit down.
Amara! Amara, come out here and face me. You coward, face me like a woman. I am not the cause of your childlessness, so come out here and face me. Amara, please help me warn your husband.
Warn him for me, oh, because I am not the reason he's important. How can I greet him and he will refuse to answer me? He just ignored me like I am so insignificant. What's that now? I greeted him, he just ignored me like I was not even there.
Ooh. Sit down. It's okay. Sit down, I'm coming, eh?
Please, warn him.
Sit down. Uruma. Fine girl. I'm coming, eh?
You just greeting me. Just ignored me. Don't blame him because I greeted him. Warn him, oh. Cannot take such rubbish from him. Next time he tries it, he will see madness. I will tell him the reason I'm called. Hey, what?
Wait, hey! Wait! Let me sit down and break your head. Useless fool! Beauty without brains. You don't have respect. How dare you come into my husband's house to insult me and my husband? Try it next time. Uru! I dare you to try it next time. I will use this now and break your head and scatter that your useless leg. I don't blame you. Fool! Try it next time.
So you see, the situation at hand always affects women more than men. Okay? That is why I'm asking you to calm down. You may not understand, but they feel it more than men. Take this herb. When you get home, boil it, and boil it very well. Okay? Before you go to bed this night, take a cup of it. Give her a cup of it. When you wake up in the morning, before you test anything, also test it. Take a cup of it and give her a cup of it. Continue it in that routine for a while and you will see a change. You are going to smile.
Okay. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, my son.
I appreciate.
You will be blessed by the gods, okay?
You see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My regards to her.
Okay. I'll be on my way, Papa.
Always calm down. Don't be harsh on her.
You know me now. I was sure we knew. Make sure you open your hand. I have. I said it. All you do. Oledo, are you okay? Oledo. Yes, I'm fine. I need to start going now. Why? Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. I just have to start going. Okay, let me see you off. No. You don't have to see me off. I'll go by myself. Okay? Okay. Nay, I need to start going now.
Thank you for coming. Oh?
I'll come to see you tomorrow. Mama, take care. Bye.
Never. She looks so sad. Are you sure Amara is not maltreating this girl?
Well, it is expected.
You are right, my dear. Thanks to our gods. She's all grown up now. And I know that men of this kingdom will not allow this girl to stay in that house till next year.
Yes, Mama. You are right. In fact, we plan on getting married on the same day.
That would be nice. Hey.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from my father's place, so he gave me these leaves to boil.
Oh, that's true. I'm supposed to come cook for him and possibly fetch water too.
Really?
Yes.
But he didn't ask of you.
Are you serious? That means he has some food left.
Yeah, so don't bother your head.
Okay.
Yes.
So, where are you going to?
I want to get something here. So
You're
I am
from
coming back
your father's house, and now you are going to get something.
to get something. Yes.
Okay, I will go with you. Else you will not come back today. I know you want to come back late. If I thought you not go to farm from there. So,
As my guide, yeah.
go now. Let's go.
I really want to talk to her. I really want to get her attention, but how will I do this? Hey.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
You are making her hair.
Yes, I am.
You're trying.
Thank you.
Please, that's how I gave to you to cook. Have you cooked it?
Yes.
Oh, please. Bring for I and my wife, let's drink.
Okay, I will.
All right.
My love,
Yes, dear.
you asked your lady to go inside, right?
Yes.
Please help me to complete my hair.
Complete what?
My hair.
I am not a woman, please.
You don't have to be a woman to do it now.
I don't know how to do it.
You learn.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh.
Hola.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Can go inside, eh?
I should go.
Go in, I'm coming.
Let me go to the kitchen.
I don't want to drink.
Why? Honey, this is going to help to clean our system.
Oye, ma, we've been taking this thing for a very long time now. It's not working. For this long, yet I'm not pregnant.
My love, I know this cannot get you pregnant, but it will at least cleanse our system. That is the reason my father gave it to me. To help us if there is anything that is, blocking whatsoever. It will flush everything and we'll be fine. But don't worry. After drinking, I will still do the do. You know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean.
My love, please. Take, okay? Drink it. It's for our own good, please.
Look at the face, it's not even...
Don't look at the face, but look at the efficacy of the medicine. Okay? Drink. Let me feed you. My love, you didn't take anything, no? You didn't drink anything. Drink, let me be rubbing your back. Sorry. It's for our own good, okay?
But this is too bitter.
Sorry, don't worry, I will do the do.
Which do?
I will do the do later in the night. You know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean. I got this one. This one is big.
He's matured.
Yes, it's matured.
You're trying.
And this.
Good, nice. check this one too. It's like this one is
No,
matured.
no, that one is small. That one is small.
What about this? This one.
No, it's small. Let me check this one. This one is also small.
What kind of a woman is this? Huh? How can a woman just stay in her house year in, year out? She cannot even follow her husband to the farm. All she does is to sit back, paint herself, parade herself like the queen of her kingdom. Whereas her father is just an ordinary chief, elder that doesn't even have a title. And then, I'm going to tell her my mind to do. I am going to tell her my mind. I cannot sit back and watch her treat my brother this way. Just sit down. If you finish working, he will bring for you. You will sit down and eat. You will sit and eat, balance and eat. I am not even going to mind the fact that both of us had a fight the other day. This time around there, if she wants more fight, I will give it to her. What is all this nonsense? Just imagine. Onyema, my brother.
Hey, Dada.
You people are farming.
Yes.
Hey, well done, eh?
Thank you very much.
I am going to see a friend.
Okay.
I will see you later. Take care.
All right, thank you.
Let's continue with our harvesting, okay?
Be careful, your leg.
What are you doing here?
Amarasi, let me tell you, forget about that little fight we had the other day. I am not scared of you. I've come here to tell you the truth.
Madam Truth, what is the truth?
Amara, let me ask you. Is it that you're a very lazy woman, or you don't love my brother, your husband Onyema, enough? Because I don't understand. You don't do anything for him. You do not go to the farm with him. You do not cook for him. You do not even wash his clothes. The only thing you do in this house is to sit, eat, and even look good. Ordinary to bear him children, you cannot. Amara, is it that you don't know how to open your legs wide and let my brother enter inside and put the thing that's supposed to make you produce children for him? Is it? What is your problem? What is it?
See that I'm coming.
Amara, listen, let me tell you. If you are planning a fight, I am ready. I am so ready.
Uru, I am not ready to fight you. And I'm not going to fight you. Sit. I'm coming. By the time I come back, I will tell you what I want to tell you.
Better.
Once we get home, I want to go fetch water and prepare something for us to eat.
All right, good one. But before then, the reason I brought you to this farm is to show you my cassava farmland. And as you can see, grasses has eaten up the cassava. So I want to see if I can clear the grasses.
Now or later?
Now.
No.
Okay, just me. I know you're tired.
Better, because I won't join you in this. I need to go home.
No problem, you can go. You have even tried today.
If I wait for you, trust me, I will come to this place and drag you back home. So you better come back on time.
Yes, Your Majesty. I won't take time, okay?
Okay, so I have a stuff in my head.
Okay, let me have the whole. Hey, be careful. Bring anything to help you. Hey, sorry.
Make sure you come back on time.
I will.
Bye.
Yeah.
Uru, what if this food you're eating was actually poison?
Both of us will die now.
You and who will die?
Because we actually eating it before you went inside.
Did I ask you to eat it?
Besides, this time that I'm living easy life. I'm not living. At my age, I am not married. I don't have a child. Any man that comes close to me after enjoying my body to its satisfaction, he will abandon me to go marry someone else. The worst is, almost all the young men in this village have slept with me. My sister, that is my story. A very terrible one.
Uru, the same way you have a story, I also have my own story. Sometimes I just feel like my own is worst.
What is your own story?
Earlier when you came in, you asked if I really love my husband. Let me now tell you. I really love Oyema. I love my husband so much. Oyema is a good man. But the things he wants me to do for him, I can't do them. I wasn't taught how to clean, how to cook, or how to take care of a home. My parents told me that I'm beautiful, that I'm a princess, even though I know my father is not a king. That I should not do menial jobs like cooking and cleaning. I should just sit, enjoy, and relax. So the whole thing got to my head. At the end of the day, I can't even do anything for my husband. I just put up these strong words to defend my inability to help him. But I know that what I'm doing deep down is not right. But there is nothing I can do about it.
Aman. Aman. If that is the case, my sister, I must say that your mother failed. Your mother did not do good though. She did not try at all. Imagine she just bundled you after spoiling you and abandoned, dropped you for us. What's my mother going? Hey, mother did not do well at all. She don't know how to do anything.
Okay. What is wrong with you? Why are you angry?
I saw Dike and Oledo.
Yes.
Mama, they were holding hands. They were so close to each other. She claims Dike saved her from some boys that wanted to rape her.
And you think that is a problem? Listen to me, Oge. I am your mother. Go to Dike and be with him. That is the only way to show love and care to the man you love. If you still love him, oh.
Mama, you're right. That is a good advice. Wait, I should go and be with Dike.
What are you waiting for?
You are the best mother. Him can dress well so that we look charming.
Yes.
Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Hey! Hey!
Mama, why are you laughing?
Please correct me if I'm wrong. You are jealous that Oledo is doing to Dike what you could have done.
Mama, why would I be jealous? I mean, she's doing everything possible to take him away from me.
Then fight for him if you truly love him.
Fight? But we are betrothed.
Yes, But he can decide to stay with someone else.
No, that is not possible. DK is mine, and mine alone to keep. I mean, I've told everyone in this village that DK and I are getting married.
Then fight!
No. I can't let this happen under my nose. She can't take what belongs to me. No. DK and I has been joined together long time ago, and that remains the case. No.
My lovely wife, I hope you have taken that herb.
I did not take it. That thing is very bitter.
I know it's bitter, but are you not seeing the changes lately?
What changes? I'm not seeing any changes. The only thing I've noticed is that you last longer and this is very strong.
Is it not better?
It's not better.
Which changes is better than that one?
That's not what I want. I want a child.
Child will come. Since this one is active now and working properly, it will also work in the baby.
I'll be going to my village for the Umuada festival.
But I thought it's in the next 4 market days.
I want to go to my village market to buy the necessary things I need for the festival. You know, this market here, they don't have a lot of good things.
And is that the reason you will leave only me in this house?
Are you a child? You can take care of yourself. And you can come with Oledo now, on the festival day. Oledo, would you want to come?
Why not? Who would not love to attend the festival of Agluzibo Kingdom? Me, I will not miss it though. I will.
Oledo will come, so you can come with her.
I have heard you, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy now? I will not stay long. After the festival, I will just come back. We can both come back together after the festival since you're going to come.
All right. No problem. Just that I will miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Onyema, I don't understand why you are laughing. What is funny?
DK, will you shut up and allow me to laugh? Look at you. Listen, DK. Allow Oledo to be. Oledo will not marry you. So please, respect yourself, go elsewhere and look for whom you will marry. As for Oledo, she's not for marriage.
My friend, listen to me. Talk to her first. Tell her that I love her so much. This is what you're supposed to do. As a friend, just talk to her, talk sense into her so that she will marry me. I love her so much.
Talk to her as in what? What for? Why? I just warned you now. Stay away from Oledo and you are telling me I should talk to her. Why? Why should I talk to her?
Onyema, never say never. Talk to her first. I want to marry her.
And she will not marry you. She will not. I don't want to warn you again, oh. Anytime I will see you chase her around again, you see, the whole of this Ugweke will not contain I and you.
Onyema, you are sounding as if you are is this a threat or what?
It is not a threat, but a promise. You will not like what I will do to you, DK. Stay away from Oledo. She does not love you, and she can never get married to you.
Onyema, I will just act as if I didn't hear what you said very clear. Because I didn't understand why you will not help your friend just to talk to a girl that is staying with you. This is what you just allow me to get what I want. Just talk to her. You are now running around the bush.
You're not her kind of man.
How do you know?
I know!
Hey, Onyema.
Stay away from her!
Onyema. Why would somebody be so wicked? Yeah? This girl is not even your sister. It's not even your you know how related to you. Eh? Just talk to her so that I will marry her. Simple. Onyema will not say anything. Eh? Hey! Onyema, what I will do to you, Onyema? Hey! Hey! Oh, what will I do? What will I do? Talk to this girl. Talk to her so that she will give me what I want. Eh? You just doing as if you don't understand what I'm saying. You're not even related to this girl. Eh? Hey! Onyema! Onyema! Hey!
I don't understand. Why are you stalking me? What is it? What? What do you want from me?
You think you're strong, right? By the time I am done with you today, you will learn to leave people's man alone.
Man? Dickie, you mean? Well, I seriously do not have anything to do with Dickie. And you know it. I don't even like him.
But you gave him food.
Oh, that. Well, I gave him food to say thank you for saving me the other day. Oh, yes. I don't have anything to do with him.
But that is not enough reason for you to cook and massage him.
Oh, massage. That was because he was badly injured. Okay, sorry about that.
Well, your apology is not enough. I will flog you first.
And do I look like someone that is apologizing?
Hey.
I can't apologize to you. I just said sorry for massaging him. Doesn't mean I'm apologizing to you. So, get us from my way. I want to go.
Okay then. Girls. Attack!
You're back? You're welcome.
Okay, hope you're fine.
I'm very fine.
Okay, let me go make something for you to eat.
Okay, please go.
Take care.
You're welcome.
I'm coming. Papa, I'm done and I want to start going back. So I could go fetch water for them.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Try. It's okay. I have no options. Okay?
Hope you're enjoying your food.
I really enjoy it.
Okay.
I'm enjoying it. So, don't forget, let your mind be here, okay?
Sure, I'll always come to see you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm missing you already. Just take care of yourself.
I miss you. I miss you. It's like, I don't need to use my words to describe it. That's I'm missing
take
you.
care.
Okay.
Make sure you finish the food.
I will. I will.
I don't believe you girls. I mean, Olodo is very decent for that.
This is not the case of decency. I mean, she fought the three of us because of a man, another person's man for that matter.
Tell her to wash her back in this way, okay? She will not come from nowhere and kill us with her sham. Never.
My own is very simple. Very simple. Just one Oledo. Let her stay clear off my mind. Let her stay away from DKO.
Hell, okay. So you're saying Oledo kept you guys in this condition that you are? Why? It's so bad.
I know I did something. I was not just standing there. I don't want to explain what I did because if you had watched what I did there, but just warn her to stay away from DK.
It's okay. It's okay. I've heard all you said. Yeah? I am so sorry for what Oledo did to you people. When Oledo comes back, I will definitely talk to her. And you that is talking about charm, I don't want you to fight Oledo when you see her next time. Oh. Please, people should not fight her again. Okay, when Oledo comes back, I will make sure I talk to her and she will leave DK for you.
Better. Just warn her because next time, she will be the one looking like this. Let's go.
Shameless people. Hi. One person did this to 3 healthy looking young maidens. And they had the man to come and report.
They're very shameless. See the way they're working like.
See that fair one? That tolo.
No, she has her own army. She's in the front. Her army will be fighting behind her.
I wish always you blew her eye like this. You just have pop.
You're not a good person.
DK, please calm down. She's only but a child. I've cautioned her for her actions. Oh?
No. Did I say I will not marry you again? Oledo is not from this kingdom, and I want to marry from this kingdom. I just want to test her.
Why don't you test Oge, my beautiful daughter?
No, it's not like I don't want to test Oge. But I want to pay everything first. Before I unveil what I paid for. I'm saving it for the night after our marriage. Then I will unveil it. Fighting Oledo is not good. That is unacceptable. Why? Ndi, look at her. Come here. Did I say I will not marry you? Why do you go after Oledo fighting her?
DK, it's not like that. I was just too jealous. I love you, DK. I love you so much. And you are mine. You belong to me. I was just fighting for what's mine. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I was heartbroken when I saw you and Oledo together.
And you think fighting Oledo is the best solution? Huh? Nne. Warn your daughter. Warn her! Next time you try this, I will have a very big problem with you in this kingdom.
DK, I'm sorry. I love you.
Look at it. You have seen it. You have seen it.
I seriously do not have anything to do with Dickie. I don't even love him. Believe me, I only went to give him food to say thank you for saving me from the hands of those boys that nearly raped me. I also went there to massage him. Those boys injured him badly. I couldn't help but help him. Believe me, I don't have anything to do with him.
I believe you. I do. I know you won't do such. DK won't marry you. He just wants to devour you. Listen, he must marry Ego, whether he likes it or not.
Thank you, Dad, for believing in me.
I believe you. Okay? Relax, be free. You can go in and sleep. Alright? See you tomorrow morning. You see? That boy, DK, that boy.
Can Oledo ever do wrong in your eyes?
What is this now? No, okay, tell me. What wrong have she done?
What wrong do you think she did? Listen, that same boy approached me. And I was talking cock and bull stories. I'm not surprised. As usual. What is it now? Allow me. My love, what is it now?
Oyema, allow me to sleep now.
How can I allow you to sleep? Eh? How can I? This is my conjugal right now.
I didn't say it's not your right. You know I have to go to my village tomorrow for the Umuada's festival. And you know this festival is just once every 10 years. And since we got married, I've not had the opportunity to attend this festival.
So that is the reason you will deny me what is rightfully mine?
You don't understand. I just want to look in good shape when I'm going tomorrow. I want to look well. I don't want everywhere to be feeling tired and lazy when I'm going tomorrow.
And this is the way we are going to make the babies. You are the same person who always complain of not having children. I should give you children. Now let us do the needful so we can have children.
Oyema, I don't want you to scatter me tomorrow morning. I want to be in good shape. I'm not asking for too much.
How am I going to scatter you? There is already an existing hole that I'm going to enter. Am I going to create another hole in there? Come on. Okay, I'm sorry for raising my voice. Okay, please. Let's do this thing.
You don't understand. You're not a woman.
My love, please.
Oyema, if you disturb me too much, I'll go to all those hut to sleep.
To go and do what?
Have a good night rest.
Ha. Okay, I am sorry. I'm sorry for raising my voice. Okay, let's do this thing. This one can make a difference. Okay?
We've been doing these things all this time and there's no difference. Tonight will not kill you. Sleep.
Have the girls decided to bless me this morning with food?
Oh yes. God sent me to come bless your morning with this food. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Oledo. How was your night rest?
Of course. It was fine.
I see.
Okay, you have to eat now.
Oh. Oledo, you know I don't like eating in the morning before going to farm.
You know I don't like someone disobeying me. Anytime you disobey me, trust me, you will not like it. So please, sit and eat.
Okay, fine. Fine. I'm seated. So what is my offense?
The other day, you said you were going to come home early, but you did not. You walked all through with an empty stomach. I wasn't comfortable with it. So if you do not eat, I'll come to the farm myself and drag you back home.
Oledo. See the way you're treating me like your little baby.
Of course, you're my big baby. So, eat.
Okay, fine. I will eat one so I don't get heavy while walking. Okay?
Eat.
Okay.
I already told her what to do. And she said she knows what she's doing. Oledo will take care of him very well. As for me, I need to get to my village. This festival is once in 10 years. I cannot miss it. I need to mingle with my fellow married women. They need to know that I've arrived. I cannot miss this one. No. Hey! I can't wait to see my own mother and father too.
There. Leave it there. I love it here.
I feel same way.
You want me to touch you just the way you're touching me?
Yes. I won't say no to you if you want me to. Yes, I will accept it.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay. I will come to your hut to undress you and to touch you tonight just the way you are touching me. Okay?
Are you sure you're strong enough to do that?
I am strong. I can do anything in this condition perfectly.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Please don't go. Come.
I need to go.
Oh, no, please. Don't go. I beg you. Don't.
But...
No, but. No, but. Come on. Drop these things. Drop it. Lock the door. Lock the door. Come and lie beside me, okay?
It will be of great sacrilege and desecration of marriage if a maiden like me lay in another woman's husband's sacred bed. I cannot do this. See, if you really want me, I want to pierce my body. You want to enjoy me, then you have to come to my hut.
But no. Listen, this is my hut, and I am the man of the house. Don't be scared of anything, okay? Please, I need you. I need you, don't go.
I need you to, but I can't do this.
Please, come and lie with me. I beg you. I beg of you. Okay? I'm sure. I don't care. Please, come.
Good morning.
Good morning, Norma. You look so beautiful this morning.
Thank you.
It's okay. And please, where is my friend Ama? Is she inside?
No, she's not inside. She went to Agluzibu village. Our village.
When?
Yesterday, but she'll soon be back.
I hope there's no problem at home.
No problem at all. She went for a mother festival.
Oh. That's true. She mentioned it to me. But I didn't know she'll be leaving this soon. Hi. And I wanted to come and have small gossip with her. I better shut up my mouth. Let me start going. Just say hi, Kim.
Okay, sure.
Well done, eh?
Thank you.
Asangwa. Fine, maybe. Asangwa.
Just imagine, you just left your house this morning just to come on gossip. Look at how she is.
Let the gods of our land drink with us.
You say?
Let our forefathers drink with us.
You say?
Let God in heaven, the creator of heaven and earth, all the whole universe, drink with us.
You say?
Yes, thank you, son.
Thank you,
it's
Father.
a wonderful gift. Where is it drink from?
The best palm wine tapper in this village.
My God.
It's very good.
This is great. Listen, make sure you always get me his palm wine.
I will.
Even if it means transporting it to me, I will pay.
I will, Father. It's a promise.
Hi. That's
I will.
good. Okay, son, I actually reported to the king.
Okay.
And he felt bad. And he swung into action immediately.
Beautiful.
He summoned all the guards and instructed them to begin to search from house to house. And to make sure they trace where that yam is kept.
But Father, that won't be necessary.
Hmm?
Yes. It won't be necessary. Because I know by now the thieves must have run out from this kingdom to our neighboring kingdom. So where will you see them?
I know where you are going. And you are right.
Oh, thank you.
According to the thinking of your age. Son, let me tell you. A thief is always a thief. Eh? A thief has no hiding place. So whether, I know that immediately a thief steals here, he will change position.
Good. You understand me?
Change location. But no matter where he goes, he still remains a thief. I bet you one day, only one day, he will be caught.
I pray so, Father. Father, these people dealt with me.
I know.
They dealt with me. They uprooted all that I have labored for. It is well.
They are heartless.
Oledo.
They are heartless.
Oledo, come.
Okay, I'm coming. I brought you fresh palm wine.
My daughter, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You are not done with the Oba?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Just give me a little time, okay?
Is it when we finish this sweet palm wine that you bring the Oba?
Oh, no. Let me go get it now.
Please do. Of course, you should know that Oba goes with palm wine.
Lady is grown up.
Yes, Papa.
Wow. And she's becoming more beautiful.
Yes, Father. She's a very good girl.
Glory to the gods.
If not for Oledo in this house,
yes,
I don't know what have become of me.
But the gods are all knowing. They are wise. Okay?
All thanks to the gods.
What about your wife?
That one?
Yes.
Papa, she left me in this my condition to her village.
Why?
For the Omada festival. Eh? Look at my condition. She left me and went for it. Is it proper, Father? Is it?
Son, I know how you feel.
Okay.
But calm down. Please, don't misunderstand her. If you were in her shoes, you would do the same. Yes. You know this festival she has gone for, okay? It is witnessed once in 10 years. Perhaps the last time she witnessed it, she was small. Okay? So nothing, the enticement must push her to do that.
But Papa, not to the detriment of my
No,
health.
not at all. Not at all. But look at, her reason is because she knows you have somebody around, you know? Yes.
So will Oledo do what she does? At night.
I understand that.
She cannot do that.
Must you be doing it every time, even when you have pains? Hey, son, take time. Take your time.
It's okay, Father. It's fine. It's okay. I will endure till she returns.
Did you hear that their king died?
For real?
King of Agulezibo.
When did he die?
He died recently. So with this festival, maybe they are going to do the festivals together. Because it's a very big festival, the burial of that man. It's a different, big festival.
I've not heard about it, Father.
You will hear about it.
Why are you staring at me?
I am just admiring your beauty. Yes. I must say the gods has favored you with so much beauty. And in fact, your beauty personified.
Thank you.
Now, you're not supposed to do this today. Allow me to do the cooking for you today. Please.
No. Let me remind you. You are the man of this house and you're not supposed to be in the kitchen. This is either my job or my sister Amara's job. Oh yes. So what I want you to do now is go inside and rest. When I'm done preparing this sweet, delicious egusi soup, I will serve you and bake you as well. That's if you want.
Bait me?
Yes.
As a baby or what?
You're my big baby.
But I insist. Please, at least for today, let me cook for you. Or at least help you pound, even if it's pepper.
No, you're not strong enough for that. Remember you were badly injured. Your faces are still with bruises.
I am okay. Your magical finger did a lot of work in my body yesterday. So please, let me help you.
Okay, okay, if you say so. Yeah.
Thank you. Now you're talking. Okay. Let me put in the beef here.
After the elders meeting we held, we all agreed that we will postpone the festival. Yes. In fact, we have postponed the festival. We said that the date will be fixed after the burial of our king, Igwe Nkume of Agolozu Igbo. After his burial, we will fix the date. So I think you have to visit home. Yes. You will go home to your husband. You'll stay with him for a while. By the time you will come back, maybe the date must have been fixed. But for now, you will have to go home, please.
Papa, do I have to go? This is my father's house. I don't have to go anywhere. I will stay for the festival. When the festival is set back, I will then go back home.
Amara, you don't seem to understand what I am saying. There is something I am seeing. What you, my child, climbs on top of a tree to see. Your father, I'm seeing it sitting here. Listen to me. Ugweke maidens are very beautiful. They're all so beautiful. Onyema is a young man. His blood is still hot. Leaving a young man, single, all alone for 90 days. He might want to test other waters. And let me tell you, my daughter, some waters are sweeter than others. Some waters boil faster than others. You don't have to take that chance. Don't create that room. Don't allow trouble to come in. You go back, you visit him, you stay with him. After a while, you come back.
Papa, you don't understand what I'm saying. You don't even understand me at all. Papa, this festival is once every 10 years. Yeah. If I miss this opportunity, then I have to wait for the next 10 years.
I'm telling you that we have postponed the festival.
We have postponed it back now. You said they will fix it back. Hey. They will fix it back. There is no problem. This is my father's house. Let me attend the festival. After the festival, I will then go back to my husband's house.
So you have not heard what I said. I said the festival has been postponed.
I will just wait till they fix it again.
No, you will go home to your husband before we fix another date. Then you come back.
Papa, are you angry at me?
I am not.
Hey, allow me to stay in your house.
Amara.
Papa.
Amara.
Papa.
Amara.
I know what I'm doing. Uyema is a very peaceful person. He doesn't like trouble. He will understand me.
I'm not talking of understanding or not understanding. I'm talking that there is trouble. There's something I am seeing.
Papa, there is no
you have not seen it.
Oh, there is no trouble. Don't worry. Relax. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Everything is under control.
Hey.
Uru, you're very funny. Very funny. Listen, I and my wife, we never break up. We didn't break up. Truthfully, there was no fight. Okay? She just went to her place, to spend some time with the family and also attend Womadas festival. Yes. So there was no fight, no quarrel between us. Please. Eh?
Okay. Onyema, let me ask you. Do you realize that it's been long that she left?
Yes.
Okay. Let me ask you another very, very important question. how do you cope at night? I mean, with the cold and everything.
Ah.
Or do you want me to come and help you?
Girl.
Sammy.
See your mouth.
Sammy.
Huh. Well, I have to endure, okay? Until she returns, then we continue from where we start. So please don't take my mind back to what I have let go. Please.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at what you're thinking.
Okay, no problem if you say so. Meanwhile, what about Oledo?
That's true. I've not seen her for some time. I guess she went to the street.
Yes. Do you have another thing in mind? This girl. What kind of a person are you?
No, since you don't want me to help you. Oh.
Please hold your help. I don't need that kind of help.
I'll take it to the people that need. I came all the way here to take you back home. Amara, you cannot leave your marriage for Oledo. You have to come and fight for your man. Get your man back.
What can she do? Huh? A daughter of Agolozi Igbo cannot kill. She cannot get involved in a conspiracy to kill. She cannot even separate or end the marriage. That is why it is important to get it right at the beginning.
Exactly. This is the reason I am still single. You know, people think that I am cursed or sick. But that is not the case. It is just that I haven't found my soulmate yet. Yes, I know a lot of my mates are now married. But there are words that a good number of them are equally suffering in their marriages. You hear stories like wife battering, ill treatment, and different kind of bad experiences. And you have a man that is taking a good man. You want to just abandon him. For who? For Oledo. You're here crying in your father's house.
Oh, my friend. Thank you very much. Thank you for bringing all this to my notice. Papa, I will go with you here to go and get my man back.
Yes. You will go with her. Go with her. Tradition forbids whatever Onyema is doing with Oledo. So the chances are that if you can monitor what Oledo is doing for him and double it, he will take you back.
Simple. Yes. Amara, do you know that men, you see men, all of them, they are very cheap and easy to get. All of them. Sorry. You might not be one of them, but you know that men are very cheap to get.
You have to go with her.
Please come and help me to pack. Let's go.
Oh, I will do that gladly.
Thank you.
Let's just go. You cannot sit down here with your Igbos in now.
Uru, the God will surely bless you.
Say, thank you, Papa.
I said it. I said it. That was what I was hammering on. Now it has happened. I just hope Onyema does not get into trouble. But Oledo is already a grown woman. And she's of age. Yes. Of consent age. Just hope this young man doesn't get into trouble.
Oh, my friend. What do I do? What do I do? How can Oledo do this to me?
This is not on Oledo. I think the problem is from Onyema. You know, maybe as a result of loneliness. And of course, Oledo has been more of a wife to him than you ever were from the onset.
What do you mean?
Amara, are you asking me what I mean? Let me remind you if you have forgotten. Oledo cooks for him. Oledo washes his clothes. Oledo fetches water for him. Oledo joins him to the farm. And most importantly, Oledo took care of him when he was injured and you abandoned him and ran to your father's house. Oledo does almost everything for him. Need I remind you that men likes people that takes care of them? What am I saying, men? The entire human race likes people that takes care of them. How much more a man? So you see this whole issue, it's on you. It is your fault. Do not blame anybody for it.
You are supposed to be my friend. Why are you so harsh on me? You are supposed to be helping me here. Now you are here blaming me. If everybody is against me, what will I now do? Eh?
But I am not
what
against
will I
you.
do? You are against me. Is it the way you are even talking?
No. I was only trying to tell you the truth.
It's okay, let's go.
Should I lie? Do you want me to lie? I cannot tell lies. I'm telling you the truth so that you sit up. Sit up and fight for your man.
Oh, it's okay. Let's just go.
Let's go. Go and fight for your man and start lamenting.
And darkness, you see, blindness is a very bad disease.
I said it. Amana, look at them. Look at your husband and your sister. Look at them. Have you seen it? I told you. Look at it. This is the way they have been playing like two lovebirds. Look at them playing love. I told you.
Uru, I'm finished. It's better I kill myself. I cannot bear this shame.
No, you will not try it. You will not try. You cannot kill yourself. For what? For what? Why will you kill yourself? This is what is going to happen. Because of these two, you want to kill yourself. No, you will stay here. Fight for your home. Fight for your husband and possess your possession. You cannot kill yourself because of what? You put shame on both of you. Look at you, yeah, outside, where the villagers will see you running around like crickets. Running. You run to this way, you run to this way, you run with another woman's husband. Shame, Oledo, shame. Onyema, I am disappointed. Shame.
Are you done shouting?
Amana, carry your bag, enter inside your house and possess your possession.
I don't have anything to possess. Oyema.
You have Onyema to possess, so.
Oledo.
You're supposed to be thanking the gods for exposing this their affair. Exposing them. In broad daylight, people are everywhere outside.
Oyema.
Okay, eat it. I made a very delicious meal.
Of course I know. You see,
Take. Enjoy yourself, babe.
you know, there is a saying that says that the secret to a black man's heart is his stomach. You have captured my heart with your delicious meals. I wish you are the one I got married to. I would have been the happiest man on earth. Anyways, thank you for coming into my life.
Thank you. Thank you. And I'll always be there for you. Just this way, when you're done eating, I will take you inside. In fact, I will bait you. And after baiting you, trust me, I am going to massage you. And if possible, the other way around, you know it? Okay, before I continue, let me feed you again. Okay. Eat. Don't eat. Let me eat.
Let me feed you.
Feed me, my baby.
Yeah, Mama. Mama, where are we going to?
I am going to Oledo's hut. She needs me tonight.
What? Hema, you must be joking. You mean you want to leave me here to go sleep with that little girl right under my nose?
That little girl, as you call her, is more than a wife to me.
Yes. She does everything for me. Everything you fail to do for me as a wife, she does them all. And the next time you will refer her as a little girl, I will get violent.
And you will not like the outcome.
Okay? And don't you even act up tonight. Because if you do, the whole of Ugweke will gather for us this night.
Respect yourself. Go in there to sleep.
Hema, you're joking.
See you tomorrow morning.
Hema, you are joking. Oyema! Oyema!
My love.
What happened?
Sorry I kept you waiting. It's Amara and her trouble.
What about her? I hope she's fine.
Don't bother about her. I've taken care of that, okay?
Okay.
Let's just go in and do our thing.
I missed you.
I missed you more.
Okay, let's go. Dada, please, I'm sorry. You know I'm an orphan. But if you chase me out of your house now, where will I go to? I do not have any other place to go. Please, have mercy.
I should have mercy. Oledo, I should have mercy.
Yes.
Oledo, you would have thought of that before you start sleeping, opening your dirty leg for my husband. Oledo, if you like, go and die in the forest. If you like, sleep in the street. I don't care. Oledo, you are evil. Oledo, you are a wicked person. After everything I and my mother did for you, you came to my home to sleep with my own husband and even have the guts to get pregnant for him. Oledo, and you think you will stay in this house without nonsense you are carrying? Oledo, you think you will stay in this house without nonsense you are carrying? Eh? You think you will stay in that nonsense? You think you will stay in that nonsense?
What's going on? Amara! Amara! Amara, what is going on? What are you doing?
Leave me alone. Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone. This useless girl, very ungrateful girl.
Listen, I will kill you in this house. Are you mad? Do you want me to strangle you? You should be happy since that's what you do not do for years. How can you be beating a pregnant woman? Are you mad?
Oledo, because of you, my husband is beating me. My husband has not laid hands on me all these years. Because of you. Hey, Oledo, you are evil. You are evil. Hey! Hey!
Amara!
Hey!
Amara!
Hey!
If you ever lay your hand on this girl again, I will bury her alive in this
shameless. You are a shameless man, Oyema.
I am a shameless man.
You are a shameless man.
What you could not do for years, she did it. She's carrying my child, and you have the guts to beat her. I will kill you in this house if you lay your hand again. Sorry, it's okay. Sorry.
Oledo, my God will judge you.
Uru. Uruma.
Amara.
Amara, what is it? Why is your face like this?
Uruma, I'm finished. I'm finished. Oyema has killed me. Hey. Uruma, Oyema has gotten Oledo pregnant.
Hey! Chimo, abomination. Hey!
I'm done with them. I am done with them. I don't even have the energy to fight or do anything. If I leave here now, I will go and meet his father and talk to him. If he can help me. But if he can't, I'll just go back to my father's house. I don't want to die before my time.
No.
Let me just go back to my father's house instead of dying. These people are breaking my heart
Amara,
too
you
much.
failed this one. You failed it. This is not what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to be talking about going home.
Yeah,
You're not supposed to be talking about going back to your father's house.
I don't have anything here again.
You should stay back and fight for your marriage. Amara, would you sit back and watch a small girl collect sleep from your eyes? Fight for your husband.
Which husband? I don't have any husband. Oledo has taken him from me.
If you know that thing that Oledo is doing, find out what it is and use it and hold him. Bring him back to yourself. He's your husband.
Oledo has taken me. You need to see the warrior is talking to me now.
Don't think of me.
Hi. There is a thing they would tell a woman, and she would be forbidden from telling it to the husband. This is sad. Very sad. I never expected this coming. Ha! My daughter, tell me the truth. Did you do anything to provoke your husband, Onyema, to anger?
I did not do anything. I did not do anything to that man, no. Maybe because I spent a lot of time in my parents' place for the Mother's Festival. Uroma, my friend, came to inform me about Onyema's affair with Oledo. I came back home to come and fix things with my husband. Now Oledo is pregnant for him.
Where do I start solving this problem? Hey! News of pregnancy is good one. Everybody knows that. But the source of this very one is bad. It's sad. This is abomination. Eh? Hey! Onyema. All right. My daughter.
Papa.
You will go back home. Go back to your house. That house belongs to two of you. She can't defraud you of your right. Do you hear me? Stand firm. Temptations do come, but you stand firm. Claim your right. Now you will go back. But don't make any trouble. Don't fight. Listen very well to my advice. Don't fight. Stand on peace to claim your right. Don't make any trouble. You may cry. Crying is your right. You have the right to cry, but don't fight. I am promising you now, I'm coming there. When I come there, I will talk to you people. Do you hear me? Listen, don't make any trouble there.
No.
Just calm down. Pretend as if nothing happened. Okay? Don't be perturbed. Go ahead and do all the other things that you have been doing in the house the normal way until I come.
Thank you very much.
You hear me?
Papa.
You will triumph. Okay? You may go.
Thank you, Papa.
It's okay.
You will come.
I will come.
No, let me be going.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. Hey, Chimo. But why would Onyema do a thing like this, for goodness sake? People will think the father, you know, I cannot induce, I can't advise him, I can never support him to do a thing like this. This is an abomination. An abomination. Oh, gods of our land, have mercy.
And where do you think you are going to? My hut? Never. You will go in now, pack everything that belongs to you, and move down to that hut. That is where you belong. I don't want to see you in this hut again. As for this hut, it belongs to I and Oledo. And of course, my child.
So move. Go and pack your things. Good for nothing woman.
Okay. What were you doing on this door last night? Nothing.
Oledo, if I see as much as your shadow in this hut again, I will so deal with you that you will not like yourself. See, let me tell you, I am just taking it easy on you because of this pregnancy. Yes, if not, Oledo, if not, I would have killed you for everything you did to me. Ungrateful brat. In fact, drop that broom and get out. Huh? I said drop that broom and get out. Didn't you hear me? Get out of my front. You don't want to be responsible for your pets. Nonsense, Joe.
Papa, are you telling me the truth? Is this a joke? Papa, I don't believe all this, so.
Marachi, my daughter.
Papa.
Everything you heard from me or from anyone concerning this issue, as simple as the truth. Okay? If you cast your mind back, you will remember how you were giving birth to your parents, how they nurtured you, how they almost worshipped you. Of course they did. How they pampered you, how they brought you up in golden spoon. Marachi,
Papa,
you should know that you lived like a princess. But the story never told us that your father was a king. Your father is a wealthy farmer, just as any one of us. As the gods would have it, you got married to my son, Onyema. A handsome man who loved you and who still loves you, thinking that when you come to a man's house, there would be a change in your life. Because we understand that marriage is a business of two who have agreed to adjust their lives pattern. But you came in without adjusting your own life. You did not. You continued with that pampered life, making your husband your cook, making your husband your washman, making him your messenger, even to sweep your house, even to clean house. You wouldn't do it. Who is that man who would be happy with such a woman? At a time when we could no longer bear it, we took complaints to your parents. And your mother, being a real mother, understood us. And she intervened by coming here 1, 2, or 3 times to solicit for my son and for you. She warned you, but we never heard. Along the line, we all agreed with Uru here, because she knows everything about it. We now agreed to bring this innocent girl, Oledo. And she came in here to see if her presence could change you. But till now, we discovered that you have no repentance in you. You have no changes. As a matter of fact, this girl you see here, Oledo, has no carnal knowledge of your husband. And their husband, till today, has no carnal knowledge of Oledo. In fact, Oledo is not pregnant, I say. Thank you. If you can change from today, because our people say, if it starts today to be good, that it will be nice. Thank you very much.
Everything that Papa just said now is the truth. And nothing but the truth. Amara, my friend, you know I kept warning you. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. And you were almost becoming a burden to my brother. I had to do something. When the plan came on, I accepted. That is why I had to come to your father's land to lie to you. You see, Oledo is not sleeping with your husband. In fact, she is not pregnant, just like Papa said.
Dada, what Uru here is saying is nothing but the truth. Your husband confided in me that he loves you so much and wouldn't want to lose you. So we came up with a plan. And to the glory of our Chi, it worked. I have nothing to do with your husband. In fact, I am not pregnant. Yes, this is fake. Dada, I just wanted to know that Deonyema here loves you so much and wants the best from you.
My dearly beloved wife, I love you. I love you so very much. And I am very sorry for all that we made you go through.
No, don't say sorry. I should be the one saying sorry to you. I am sorry. I have failed you in so many years. I am so sorry. I promise you from today henceforth, I will do everything to make you happy. I will make up to you.
Listen, everything that happened, it's for you to have a good life. For you to change from the life that is not pleasant. And I am making this promise to you that it is you or no one else. Okay? I love you.
Papa, I'm sorry.
It's okay, my daughter.
I failed you all.
It's okay. It's okay.
I am so sorry. I am
It's okay.
so sorry.